Kia ora and welcome to Goat Island. No need to think, I'm going to show you how to find the part of this hidden beauty. Those summer waves were crazy today. I mean, I got completely soaked by a rogue blowhole. This track is a short 3.2 k's return. Starting at the north end of the beach car park, be ready for the sun, shade and stunning views on the descent. This is your landmark to find the track access. Once you get here, it's literally across the road and you will find the hidden track. And up you go. Goat Island chickens. Why is it called Goat Island? This is New Zealand's original marine reserve. You can enjoy the results of more than 30 years of community protection. Whether you're walking on the rocks, snorkeling, scuba diving, or kayaking, you'll have a first-rate opportunity to see the fish and other marine life. And snorkel along here. It's very open sea. Just so you know, the only toilets are at the car park. Oh, that looks cool. Coastal walkway. Ding! Behind, stunning view of Pākiri Beach. If you leg it, it's only a 45-minute return. Beautiful day. That's a seat with a view in it. Very cool. You're joining me on a quick stunning hike to the best views in the whole marine reserve. Don't forget to bring a water bottle and some sunscreen. It'll be roasting in summer. Ocean, ocean, ocean. And crispy grass. Fun fact, this is New Zealand's original marine reserve. It's nice to have like the farmlands just there. As you can see, clearly, a good climb to the ridge, but trust me, the panoramic ocean views make every step worth it. And there's wicked. Every time you turn around, it just looks even greater. Goat of all islands. Oh, that's cool. Little barrier. How come I can only see the little one and not the big one? That's definitely slightly longer. Great. Little. This is your perfect summer day trip. Now let's hit some bush. Oh. Kererū. You. It's a lovely little track. I'm enjoying it. Mix of everything. Remember, the track shifts from an exposed ridge to a lovely shaded bush. Look at that. As you know, there is a hill, but it's also important to note there are stairs on this track as well. Nothing interesting. It's pretty clear though. It is very clear. When you're planning for gear, you can expect this walk to be about 60% cooling native bush and 40% open exposed ridgeline, and a perfect mix for a sunny day. Whoa. I think this is the other side of it. It's ginormous. Wow, look at the field. It's so green. Maya, the green grass. Oh, so much ocean. Ta-da! Wild. present you the lookout. Ironically, I can't see Goat Island from here though. If you love first-person 4K walks in New Zealand, hit that like and subscribe to BinkyT.